Gooten Print on Demand. In today's review, we are going to discuss Gooten Print on Demand. So let's get started. It provides wide product selection. Gooten offers a diverse range of products including apparel, home decor, and accessories. It has a user-friendly interface. Many users find the platform easy to navigate and use for setting up and customizing products. It has competitive pricing option. Gooten's base prices are often cited as being competitive compared to other printed on-demand services. It's good for starting out. For those new to print-on-demand model, Gooten is seen as a good option for getting started without large upfront costs. It is fast and responsive support. Some users report excellent customer services and fast response times. Now let's see its cons. Print and product quality is a major point of concern for many users, with some experiencing low quality items, poor print alignment, and damaged goods. It has low or poor customer reviews. Conversely, many reviews report slow response times from customer service and a lack of follow up, especially for issues like damaged or delayed orders. It has some fulfillment issues. Some users have faced delays and problems with order fulfillment, particularly during peak seasons. It has limited features as lacking, such as the inability to add order notes or easily handle reshipping return items notes. Higher shipping cost. Some users find the shipping cost, particularly to international locations like Canada, to be prohibitively expensive. How to decide if Gooten is right for you or not. It is highly recommended to order samples of any products you plan to sell to assess the quality firsthand before committing to a product line. Next one is ensure that the integration with your chosen platform like Shopify or Etsy is smooth and that the software functions as expected. Be prepared for potential issues. Acknowledge that there may be inconsistencies in quality or fulfillment and have a plan for how you will handle potential customer complaints or returns. So that's all about Gooten. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.